Hey guys, it's me Oishi. It's been a while since I uploaded. I had to take a break, but I'm back with a new video to show you how I made this dress. So first I'm going to take a piece of muslin and start draping it on the dress form. If the dress form is smaller than your measurements, you can pad it. I'll probably have taken from my drape later. So now mark the darts, the neck, the armhole, side seams, and cut it out. I'm going to use this as a pattern and cut out the lining and self fabric with it, but those are going to be longer. I didn't have enough lining, so that'll be a bit short. I'm transferring the dart onto the lining and using that to cut out the base fabric. I added a little flare to that. I'm just joining the lining to the self fabric like so. For the sleeves, I used my sleeve sloper to make a flared sleeve like this. I'm going to close up the sides and then sew it onto the armhole. Now I'm attaching the zipper to the self fabric and then hand sewing the lining fabric to the zipper. Lastly, I'll close the opening on the center back, serge the raw edges, and hem the bottoms. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has an amazing new year. See you next time.